You take control to live life with a new perspective. Living your best life every day. Intentional living with KLBK's Terri Furman.
This is a stressful and trying time for both adults and children. As coronavirus worries increase, so does the anxiety. In this week's Intentional Living, we hear from a child therapist about how to discuss coronavirus with your family. Brought to you by KK's Corner Mall and Urban Tea Company. School closures, canceled activities, and parents working from home. Each day brings changes to our daily lives as the nation sees more cases of the coronavirus. Family therapist Darby Cox says when talking to children, tailor the message to the child's age. With kids under 4, discussions should be very limited. With kids 4 to 7, she says be sure to use concrete terms.
There's a virus that's kind of like the flu. You know, sometimes you get a sore throat or your stomach hurts, you don't feel well.
For kids 7 to 10, she says parents can stress that children don't seem to be as affected as much as older adults, but that we all still need to do our part for prevention.
And just say for a little while, we don't want to pass the germs around, so we're just gonna stay at home, we're gonna do some different things, and we'll be fine. Really reassuring.
Reiterating the importance of good hand washing is one way to empower children that they are helping prevent the virus from spreading. For kids older than 10, parents can look at the science behind the virus and remind kids that cases are usually mild. In general, vocabulary matters, so experts say keep death out of the discussion.
Because we don't really know how do you prevent death, and it's so ominous. So I think that again we go back to a language of yes, you could get sick, but you know what, you've had other illnesses and you're going to be okay.
Fox says to also take time for yourself so you manage your own fears in order to be able to handle your families. Experts say limiting children's exposure to media and social media coverage of the outbreak is also best.